In front of me is IGET Smart L203, and let me show you how to activate developer mode on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select About Tablet, and here locate and tap on build number 7 times. So just tap on it 7 times, and as you can see now, just draw your unlock pattern and you unlocked developer mode. To access it, just go back to previous screen, select System, and from now on you will be able to find developer options under Advanced. Just mark it to open, and here you've got all the features, all the operations that you can perform. And for example, if you'd like to enable strict mode, just mark it here. Then whenever you would like to turn it off, just use the switcher again. And this is it. This is how you can activate and use developer options. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.